Sure.
Yeah. Or I can.
We can, if you want the teapot, get the teapot.
You're looking for me. I need something.
Hey. Give it a £50 note and give it a pound and you get £10 back. Give it that and give it that. Now, definitely. Right. That's not the space. Right, honey. Right, now pass me that.
Okay.
What is this? Is happy pasty.
It's a happy pasty.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
When it's ready, is happy pasty like that. Oh, thank you so much.
That's okay. Enjoy the rest of your holiday.
Thank you. ये बनाने के बाद इसको सुखाने के लिए धूप में ऐसे रखते हैं बाहर, शॉप के बाहर। ये शॉप की बाहर का व्यू है।